Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and I really hope you enjoy it. Today I have a very fun video. I recently purchased a mystery vault from House of Sillage and I did an unboxing video, so go check that out. But when I placed that order, I also ordered the Discovery Kit for Whispers in the Garden collection. In my previous video, I showed you that I ordered the Discovery Kit for Whispers in the Garden, but I did not smell them or anything. I wanted to do it on camera with you all. So let's get started. And I'm gonna tell you, I don't have fragrance strips, so you know what? We're gonna do it how we do it. I cut up an index card, and that's how we're going to smell them. Okay, so let's count how many are in here. I think it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's start with Whispers of Admiration. Oh, yes. Oh, I like that. This smells fruity, sweet. It smells like the most high-end fruity vanilla. Ooh, y'all, I was hoping, ooh, I'm liking these. I don't know how that's gonna do for my wallet. So this is Whispers of Guidance. You notice I'm only spraying like half a spray because I want to use these when we go out again. Girl, y'all, I might wear this to go to Walmart to pick up some groceries. Who am I kidding? That's the highlight of our lives right now. Okay. Oh, this smells good too. Whispers of Guidance. This one is more floral. Very soft. I would call this a very pretty scent. Yeah. A very pretty feminine scent. I'm trying to keep them in order. And that was Whispers of Guidance. The next one, and I don't know if y'all heard that was my air conditioner coming on, just in case you heard it. Yeah, it's hot. I live in Texas. This is Whispers of Enlightenment. Y'all, I am liking all these scents. Whew. This smells like sweet. I don't know the notes or anything. It's just my first impressions. This smells sweet and cherry-like. Fruity. Some vanilla, kind of some flowers thrown in. Oh, that smells so good. That's my favorite so far that I've smelled. Okay, the next one is Whispers of Innocence. Okay, this one, I'm not loving it. It smells very mature. It smells, I'm sorry, I keep smelling it. It just, you know, I just see a very classy, elegant older lady wearing this with I'm thinking like one of those big hats my grandmother used to wear with some big pearl earrings on. You got your stockings on, your best Sunday best, and I mean, it smells good, but it's not one I'm just like, oh, I have to get it. But you know, it does smell differently on skin, so who knows? I might film another favorites video or something, and I might love it after I spray it on my skin. Okay, the next one is Whispers of Strength. Okay. I don't know, not really smelling anything. Hold on. This one is very, very, very light. And it soft floral, but it's got a little sharpness to it. I like it. I don't love it. Like it's okay. The next one is Whispers of Time. Trying to get all that wood in there. Y'all gonna laugh at me, but this one smells like a high-end bougie hotel soap that you're on vacation and you're staying at a 5-star resort or hotel, and you know you're packing up and you see that soap that's wrapped up all nice or in the tray and you haven't used it, but you smell it every time you go in there, and you're like, girl, grab that soap before you go, let's take it with us. I like that one. It smells good, very fresh. I think of summer, very fresh with that Whispers of Time. Okay, last one. This is Whispers of Truth. Okay. Oh, I like that. This to me smells just on paper, okay, it reminds me of, let me smell it one more time. Okay, it reminds me of Cloud perfume, Burberry Her perfume with a strong floral note as like a background. Like, think if you've smelled Ariana Grande's Cloud perfume, and then if you've smelled Burberry Her, think of those fragrances with that strong strawberry, cloudy, whipped cream creaminess, and then put floral undertones, and that's what this smells like to me on the paper. But I must say, I love this kit. And out of the 7, I'm probably going to start a wish list now. I would want the Whispers of Admiration, Whispers of Guidance, Whispers of Enlightenment, and Whispers of Truth. Those are the ones from first sniff. Haven't worn them on my skin, but those are the ones I'm like, okay, love them at first sniff. So y'all might be seeing some House of Sillage coming up here. So that was my first, what do I want to call this? My first sniff review, but I don't like the way that sounds. That was my first impressions. What was my first sniff? This is my first impressions of the Whispers of Garden collection, and 4 out of 7 are loves. 3 the other three, I like them, but it's just, it doesn't make me say I want to go put them on my wish list. But I am liking the House of Sillage, and I can't wait until my discovery kit of their full line of perfume, their signature line. Once I receive that mystery, it's not the mystery vault. Once I receive my discovery kit from their signature line, I will do a first impressions video just like I did with this one. So be sure and tune in for that. Check out my previous unboxing video of my House of Sillage mystery vault, so you can see what I got in my box. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below of the fragrance you like from House of Sillage, and please share this video with anyone you think would be interested in watching. Please turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I get my discovery kit of their signature line, so we can see how that smells together. And most important of all, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 50 subscribers by the end of May, and I really appreciate your help. So until next time, bye.